Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're going to take a look at tempered glass screen protection for the iPhone 12 series of phones. Specifically, we're going to take a look at the Whitestone Dome Glass Easy Glass installation. This is one of the easiest installs that you'll find for the iPhone 12 series. So let's get right to it. Now, we've been installing tempered glass screen protectors on the channel for quite some time now, and today we're taking a look at the Whitestone Dome Glass Easy install. This is going to be one of the fastest installs and one of the most error-free installs that you can find. So we're taking a look at a screen protector that has touch sensitivity, oleophobic coating, which means you're not going to get a lot of fingerprints on this. It's going to be hard and protective. You're going to have the great clarity that you would expect from an iPhone, and once again, it's going to be shatterproof. It's really going to give you peace of mind. So let's go through the install. Now inside the box, you're going to find two tempered glass screen protectors because this is a two-packer. You're going to find an installation kit that's going to include wipes, also alcohol, and then it has an installation frame. Now the very first step in the process is to wipe down the actual phone. Even if this is a brand new phone, you want to wipe it down and make sure that you don't have any kind of grime, any kind of sticky stuff on here that could be preventing a really nice fit. So we're going to go ahead and wipe it down first with this alcohol wipe. And then what I'm going to use is the actual rags that were included, or these little towelettes to kind of dry it. And as I do this, I'm going to inspect it to make sure that there isn't any dust particles on it, any lint. Now, one advice, if you have a fan in your home, turn it off. If you have central air, central heat, make sure that you cover up the vents or turn it off. That way you don't have anything flying around. And we'll inspect this a couple times, but so far things look really good. Now the next step in the process is to install the actual install frame. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in place. I'm going to push this down just like this, and I'm going to inspect it again to make sure there isn't any dust. If there is dust, you can always use the removable stickers to take it away before you put on the screen protector. Now the next step is to remove the protective film from the tempered glass screen protector and to put it in place. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the bottom first, get that aligned there, come over here to the very top, just make sure that things look good, and then just rest it like this. It looks like everything is touching, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press now here in the middle, just like this, and you notice how it starts to fill, and go up top and bottom just like this, and we'll just push the bubbles out little by little, and it should be all set. Now that we've installed the tempered glass screen protector, we have full screen protection from the speaker area all the way up to the bottom. Nothing is impaired. Everything is just working just as it should, and you haven't lost any clarity. So this will give you that extra sense of protection in the event that you do drop your phone. You don't have to worry about cracking your glass. You'll crack your screen protector first. Now, for those of you who are curious, is the screen protector case friendly? Well, this is a UAG case, and you can see here, screen protector hasn't impaired anything whatsoever. It's well within the margins, and it doesn't impact the case. So guys, that was the easy install from Whitestone for the iPhone 12 family of phones.